Hey everyone, let's check out this stunning gold kitchen faucet by Serimer with a commercial spring design. It features a solid brass body, heavy-duty build, and a ceramic cartridge for ultimate durability. You get a flexible pull-down sprayer and a separate pot filler spout that both swivel 360 degrees. The sleek high-arc profile makes it an impressive focal point for your farmhouse or RV kitchen. Installation is quick and simple, while the rust-resistant finish easily wipes clean with a cloth. Enjoy reliable drip-free performance and smooth water control for all your daily tasks. Upgrade your kitchen sink setup with this stylish and heavy-duty fixture today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.